Hello everyone, I'm Alicia. Welcome to my Beautiful Nights channel. For this video, we're going to open up another monthly subscription from Czech Beads exclusive. And this just came in the mail like an hour ago while I was filming the tutorial for these rings here. So keep an eye out for that tutorial. I don't know if I'm going to upload it before or after this video. So anyways, like always, I will leave a link for this monthly subscription down there below the video, so make sure you check that out in case you're interested in this subscription. And there is no more time to waste. Let's see what's inside the box. What is this month's theme? Okay. It is rainbow, summer rainbow. Ooh. And there is 21 items, and this time they do have it broke down into lots, so there's actually more than 21 items. See, there's 2 lots of that one, 3 of that one. So let's see what we got in here. Okay, so we have 4mm Czech trucks in a copper color. This is gorgeous, especially with my nail polish. I love these 2 colors together. And we have some rice-shaped beads. These are, I think, purple iris. Those are cool. I do not have this size bead in Czech. Love those. Oh, these are awesome. I have this bead shape in orange. I think I got it on clearance at Hobby Lobby. Those are really awesome. I love those. And then we have a coin-shaped bead here. It has a dragon on it. And it looks like it's a Picasso or travertine, and I can't tell if it's yellow or green, but it's really beautiful. And then we have some flower-shaped beads here, and it's the same color as these here. I love those. And we have some Czech rondelles. There's a bunch in here. This is green iris. It's the same color as the seed beads I have in this ring. And then we have some more flower beads. This is a bright red opaque. Those are nice. Oh, I love this. And another dragon bead, and it's turquoise. Turquoise Picasso, my favorite. And yellow. Wow. Bright yellow in those. Man, I really love these table cut. All of these here are table cut, by the way. So the bead actually looks different than it does right now, and they slice the side of it off and it gives it a completely different look. Those are all table cut. Here are some drugs, and I'm thinking that these are 5mm because they look smaller than 6. I don't know, I'll see on the paper when I go to check that out. Here are some really cute diamond charms. I love those. Those are precious. And here are some more table cut beads. I forgot what this shape is called. It's kind of like a rice shape, but it's sliced on the sides. And it's a really pretty color. It's like a milky blue. And here are some 3mm Czech drucks. In case you don't know, druck stands for round Czech bead. Perfectly round Czech bead, that is. And here are some 3mm Czech flower polish beads in turquoise. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. These are amazing. Look at these daggers. I think this is the peacock finish on these, and they're yellow. These are so cool. This would make an incredible flower. Those flowers that I make. Here's some more of these beads there. A bunch of turquoise in here. I love turquoise. And what are these? They're grape charms. There's a hole right there. I'll open it up to show you. I've never really had the fruit Czech beads, and I've gotten I don't remember if it was last time or the month before, but Czech Beads exclusive one time gave me Czech lemons, or no, they were limes. They're green. Right there's the hole. These are pretty cute. They're big too. I didn't think they would be so big. And then we have, oh my gosh, more grapes in teal. Those are gorgeous. And we have some charms made with love. Are they gold or antique brass? I think they're antique gold. Those are cute. And then we have some of these disc beads here. These are cool beads. I don't see them very often. I never see them in stores. I've only been able to find these online. And even then, not all the stores carry them. They're kind of rare. And oh my gosh, here are some more. And this is a blue color of these Peacock Daggers. Those are awesome. And here we have some of, these are Czech Flower polish. They're rice shaped though, and it is this amazing color. I have this color in, oh, what is it? It's a weird shaped bead I have in my bead stash. I think it's a Czech shell bead I have. Looks like a seashell. But the ones I have more pink in them. This has a mixture of clear and pink. Those are beautiful. And it's like a dusty rose pink. And here are some Czech flowers. This is the bell shape. Bell flowers in purple. And then we have some rondelles. Oh, and they're teal. I love teal. And it's a metallic color on the side. I want to say it's like hematite color. And then we have more daggers, and these are the copper ones. Those are gorgeous. There's a really nice mix of beads in here. And we have some of these, I think these are called Ufos. At least they are called that on the one website I'm always shopping at. They're pretty cool looking. And I would also say that that's kind of a rare bead shape. I don't see it very often. And here are some more rice-shaped Czech beads. This is, it's either called opal or milky white. The color, it's a pretty color. Also, they call it moonstone. I've seen different stores call it different things. Wow, these are incredible. This is like a neon green, and it's not opaque. There's actually like swirls through it. Pretty cool. Sometimes the beads that I get, the color of them doesn't really show up to true on the camera. I've even noticed that sometimes my nail polish looks like a totally different color on camera than it is in real life. These look yellow on my camera screen, but they're neon green. So that's it. This is a big selection. There's a lot of beads in here, and I'm really loving the colors. Okay, I went over the list and I put everything in order, and now I'm going to read them off. Number 1 is 2 beads spacer. These are 4 by 6 millimeter, and there's 2 bags. This is hot dagger Czech glass beads, 5 by 16 millimeter, and there's 3 bags of those. And then there's bicone pyramid beads. These are 5 millimeter by 6. These are flower polish beads, 4 millimeter by 2. These are flower polish beads, 5 by 3 millimeter. And then we have grape beads, 14 by 11 millimeter, 2 bags of those. And then we have flower beads, 6 by 8 millimeter. And then we have table cut beads, 18 by 7 millimeter. Message charms, 8 by 12 millimeter. We have bohemian charms, 12 by 10 millimeter. And then we have cool disc Czech glass beads. These are 6 millimeter. And then we have 3 millimeter Czech flower polish, 5 millimeter Czech drux, and 3 millimeter Czech drux also. And then we have square beads, 10 by 10 millimeter, and there's 2 bags of those, and they are different patterns on them. And then we have oval petal beads. These are 6 millimeter by 16 millimeter. And then we have flower coin beads, 14 millimeter, 2 bags of those. And then we have dragonfly glass beads. There's 2 bags, and they're 17 millimeter. And then we have round Czech glass beads, 4 millimeter, and then we have flower polish beads, 7 millimeter by 5 millimeter, and we have tube Czech glass beads, 9 millimeter. So this is it. I went over everything, and again, I will have a link for this subscription down there below the video, so make sure you check that out in case you're interested. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like this video, leave me a comment, subscribe if you want to see more of my videos, and make sure that you click the button so you get notified, the bell button, so you get notified when I upload new videos, and like me on Facebook. And don't forget to share the pictures of the jewelry you've made from my videos on my Facebook page, and follow me on Pinterest. Thanks for watching.